You guys want to make more money on Instagram? Here's a simple trick that you can start using. Anybody can start utilizing this, regardless of your account, where you're from, what niche it's in, regardless of how much money you have made or not made in the past. This will work. Let's get it. What up guys, Ben Oberg here with another video. Real quick before we dive into these tips and strategies to make more money on Instagram and increase your following and increase your Instagram engagement. And by the way, a lot of you guys might have noticed that likes are starting to go away. We'll talk about that in just a little bit here while I'm driving. Make sure you smash that like button real quick right now. If you like this video, if you like what you come here for the channel to be able to learn about entrepreneurship, Instagram marketing, and building lethally successful businesses online, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. So one of the things that we talk about often is like posting frequency, right? That's always the age-old question is how often should you be posting? Should you be doing IGTV? Should you be doing video, picture, carousel, etc.? So I'm gonna rapid fire go through this, okay? There is no specific formula on how often you should post. What I will say is that when you rapid fire post, one post after the next, it will take away engagement from the first post, and Instagram will automatically push that engagement towards the newest post, okay? So you do want to usually leave at least 2 hours, 2.5 hours in between your posting. Now, what I want you to realize along with this is understand that different people are on Instagram at different times. So when you post frequently, you're gonna get impressions around the clock, and different groups of people, different populations, different ages, different countries, different locations are gonna see this. So when it comes to making more money on Instagram, you wanna be able to get more unique eyes on your offer. The same person clicking on your links, clicking on your pictures, consuming your content over and over and over again becomes regurgitated. And at a certain point, they're either gonna buy, they're gonna be interested, or they're not. So you always wanna get new people. So step one is 2 to 2.5 hour frequency, all right? Post around the clock as often as you can, and you're gonna hit different parts of the world, so you build your audience faster. Now, the next part I wanna combat that with is carousels are really great. A lot of times what you'll see, and you can look at my account at Ben Oberg, take a look at this carousel here, okay? I've got a few images in it, and what I usually do is I build up engagement, point fact, follow at Ben Oberg if you wanna become a better entrepreneur and learn how to create a lethally successful online business. So when I've brought people along the journey through a carousel, right? They have decided by the time they're 4 slides in, 5 slides in, I love that I have a backup camera here. Makes everything easy. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we can trust the backup camera, all right? Because normally I just use, let's see how good we get this. Let's see. All right, like it's decent. All right, guys, so normally when I do that, by the time somebody has gotten to my, 4th, 5th carousel there, like they're engaged. They wanna do business, okay? They wanna follow me. They wanna do whatever it is that I'm telling them to do. So they follow, okay? The next thing I'm gonna tell you is pictures can't be watched, but videos can. So the more engaging your video is, the more enticing and the better that thumbnail is, the more likely they are to watch. So it starts with the thumbnail and the captioning. Your thumbnail needs to strike curiosity. Your captioning, when they read it, needs to strike curiosity. Oh my gosh, I can't believe he did this. What are your thoughts on this? I can't believe this guy's making $100,000 per month without a college degree, blah, 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 blah. You have a thumbnail, you have a hook in the caption, and then you got a hook in the video. The first 3 seconds are critically important, okay? So you can split test. You can start practicing making videos and seeing how high your watch duration is. You could do this on like YouTube and run ads to fish for watch duration, set it on a really small budget. But the point is, you just really gotta start looking at like, how can you increase that engagement? All right, on your videos, because the higher the duration is that they watch that, the longer they're going to, the more Instagram's gonna push that video, okay? If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you tap that notification bell and you subscribe now, okay? So the next thing that I wanna tell you guys about is you gotta start thinking about how well you connect with your audience, okay? Because with Instagram likes going away, you're gonna have a better opportunity to be judged less on how many likes you get and more of the ability to connect with your audience, okay? And I think that's a really good reason for Instagram likes going away. Okay, it's not bad. If anything, it's gonna help you guys get more leverage, because there's a lot of people that get lots of likes and provide no value. They just have like a big butt or boobs and that's it. Or like the shit that comes out of their mouth is really stupid. Like Cardi B, for example. There's politicians, there's celebrities that have tons of likes that don't do anything for the world, for their brand, for their community, for their audience, okay? So the likes going away is good. It's definitely a left-wing agenda of Facebook and Instagram, and I don't necessarily agree with why they did it, but from a business perspective, it's okay. Okay, so I want you guys to realize that it's okay. Don't worry about that. Now you have more of an opportunity to connect with your audience. So making money on Instagram, recap, okay? Start using those carousel videos, start using those carousel stories. You can put carousel videos in there as well. Start having better click-throughs. Start having better captivating thumbnails when you're using your video, okay? So use those carousels to your advantage. Tell a story throughout, engage them, and then hook them in the end with a call to action to follow you, click your link, swipe up, whatever the case may be, because by then, when they've gone through that carousel, they're listening. And when I get big impressions on carousels and I have that strategy in the very end on my slide, like I showed you earlier in this video, it results always in an immense amount of followers. Those carousels are oftentimes my posts that lead to the most amount of followers, okay? So that's one thing. The other thing I want you guys to start doing is when you post videos to get massive amounts of engagement. You're looking for high watch duration. You don't want somebody watching a 30-second video for 2 seconds. You want them watching 20, 30 seconds, the whole thing, okay? So the thumbnail, how well you hook in the caption, how well you hook in the beginning of the video, and keeping them on there, keeping them engaged, all right? That's gonna be able to allow you to make more money and get more retention in your audience. Posting frequency around the clock, okay? I don't want you to post just to fill content. I want you to post the highest value content as possible. I hear people all the time talk to me, they're like, Ben, you're everywhere. You're everywhere. I can't get rid of you. You're on Facebook. I get off Facebook. I go to Instagram. You've just made a post. You're on a story. You're going live. Go back over to Facebook. You're on Facebook Live. I go over to YouTube. The biggest thing in my feed is all of your videos. I can't get rid of you. And then I see you in ads. I see you in emails. I see you in text. Be everywhere. I win because I'm frequent and the value that I post is so high. I don't ever go, oh shit, I need to post today, so I'll just fish through some content and put something there. I plan out, I play out, I strategize everything I post. And because of that, I'm paid. Use these same strategies, you're gonna be able to get paid too. Don't worry about the Instagram likes. Make sure to follow me at Ben Oberg on Instagram. I've included some extra bonus materials and resources that I don't usually hand out. Links are in the description. Get your hands on the Instagram mastery training, okay? It's a free class you can attend, take a couple hours of your time. It is how we use the intellectual growth formula to be able to grow regardless of the algorithm or regardless of Instagram taking away likes. Doesn't matter for us. We grow and we monetize in algorithm-proof ways. This doesn't matter, right? Any other way doesn't work. If your business relies on an Instagram algorithm, it's not really a business, is it? Because Instagram algorithms can change at any time. Facebook, YouTube, don't use that as an excuse. So get your hands on that, and if you want to invest with us, you'll have that opportunity. Subscribe, make sure you smash that like button. Any questions, drop them in the comments. Follow me at Ben Oberg and get your hands on the training.